Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to use the AI image background remover in FlexClip, a cloud-based video creation app with which you can create different types of videos using pre-made video templates or create videos from scratch. So I'm logged into my FlexClip account and I have a video project open here with one blank scene. We are in the Templates tab. So let me go to the Photo tab. You'll find thousands of royalty-free images to use in your video projects. Let me use the search box and I'll search for yoga photos. So here are some royalty-free yoga photos. Let me scroll down to find a suitable photo to use. I'll have my mouse over this one and click this plus button. This will add the photo to the current scene. I'll double click on the photo, then click on Fit at the top, and click OK. So this essentially displays the full image. Next, I'll click on Remove Background in the top toolbar. And in a few seconds, it will automatically remove the background, as you can see here. As you can see, it's done a very good job of removing the background. But in case you need to fine-tune it, you can use the Erase and Restore options in this toolbar. Once you're happy with it, you can click this Download button, and it will automatically download it to your browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. And if you want to add a different background, for example, if I go to the Videos tab, and in the background section, I'll click See All. Here are many royalty-free background videos. I'll hover my mouse over this one, and then I'll click the plus button. It will add the video background to the scene. And if you want to, you can also move the photo if needed, like so. But that's pretty much it. There are many more AI features in FlexClip, and you can check these tutorials to learn more. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.